Guys, welcome back to the channel. And as you can see, this is another Motivation Mondays video. And in Motivation Mondays, we try and take the problems that we face in our life and find the solutions to those problems the motivational way. So before moving on to today's Motivational Mondays, if you like the content that we provide via these Motivational Mondays videos, then please make sure to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you stay notified whenever we post a new video. Now, let us start with this week's Motivational Mondays video with the topic Believe in Yourself. Emphasizing the importance of this week's Motivational Mondays video, which is to believe in yourself, I will be saying a short motivational story. Well, imagine the scenario. There is a tower and there is a competition for all the frogs to climb on that tower. The frog that reaches the top of the tower will get a prize. Now, all the frogs gather around the tower and want to reach the top. But the crowd sees the tower and the length and how tall the tower is and passes comments like the tower is too huge and the frogs can't go up. Well, hearing to those comments, some of the frogs which are participating in that competition fail to go to the top of the tower and they give up. Now, several other participants tried to go to the top of the tower, but they stopped halfway or quarter way and they came back down because they thought that was impossible. Now, one of the frogs which were competing in the tower competition climbed all the way to the top of the tower and even won the competition. Well, while interviewing the frog, while asking the frog how it won the competition, they came to know that the frog was deaf. Now, since the frog was deaf, it couldn't listen to all the comments passed by the crowd which were viewing the competition, and it believed in itself and climbed to the top of the tower and overcame the adversities. Now, this short story was meant to emphasize on believing in yourself and how effective can it be. Well, another short story which will also be emphasizing on this week's Motivation Mondays topic is going to be played. So make sure you enjoy that short story.
He is Rahul. He is very upset. He has seen failures in his venture and is devastated. He constantly thinks how unlucky he is and is losing hope in himself.
I am useless and good for nothing. If I continue this way, I will become bankrupt one day, and I just don't know how I am going to revive my business.
Seeing him worried, in the bench of the park, an old gentleman comes near him.
Hi, young man. Are you okay? You seem upset.
Rahul wants to vent his state of mind to someone, pour his issues and happenings, and how is it affecting him, while the old man listens calmly.
I am upset because of my professional reasons, and I have only met failure after failure in my life, even after repeated attempts.
Listen, life is not only about success and failures. It just goes on. You need to get along the journey. Come on, cheer up.
Rahul is not ready to listen as his mind is preoccupied with many assumptions already. At that moment, Rahul sees the old man taking a check out of his pocket. To his surprise, the old man gives him a blank check.
So what's happening? What is this man up to? Why is this man giving me a check? Well, what are his intentions?
Now forget your past and make a new start. See, young man, without thinking much, fill in the amount and start your life afresh. Motivate yourself and let this be with you. Once you feel you have made enough, return it back to me after a month. Same place, same time. Is it okay?
Rahul could not speak a word. He is happy and also doesn't know what made the old man to help him, but thought it is his good intention anyways. The old man left. Rahul reaches his house and keeps the check safe in a locker.
I will promise to myself that I will earn money and reputation back through this new venture and return the money to the old man next month.
Rahul works smart and puts his heart and soul in his work, and this time he has the backup of the check. He never feels the need to use the check as his hard work starts showing results. He puts more efforts as he just has a month's time to prove himself and return the check to the old man as well. He starts seeing success and profits this time. He feels happy because the old man kept confidence in him and he could achieve success in short time. He goes to the park to return the check to the old man. He asks a person in the park about the old man, for which the man replies that he is a regular visitor but has not seen one with that description. Rahul is upset as he wants to tell the old man that he is successful now. Rahul goes to the park regularly in hope of returning the check, but none knew about the old man. Then suddenly Rahul realizes something.
Oh my god! Now I realize this check is a dummy one and was given to me by the old man only to cheer me.
He then thought how the old man's gesture of giving him a check, even though the check is invalid, made him believe in himself and not depend on the check for him to succeed. So the moral of the story is, if you believe in yourself, anything is possible.
So what exactly is this feeling of believing yourself? Well, believing yourself is having some confidence in your own abilities and thinking that you can do anything. Now I will be specifying 6 steps to start to believe in yourself. Now the first step towards believing yourself is to believe that it starts with you. Well, everything starts with you. You have to put the initiative towards that work and no one else will substitute for you to do that work. You have to do the work by yourself, take these necessary steps in order to complete the goal that you have set for yourself, such that in that process you start believing in yourself because you know what to do. Now the second step into believing yourself is to examine the limiting beliefs. Well, in your mind there are some limiting factors or some limiting beliefs that you have set for yourself which are limiting you or creating a barrier between you and your goal. Now you have to examine all those barriers or all those fears that you have put for yourself and you have to eliminate all those because all those are impedances that come in between you and your goal. Well, the third point is to stay around positive people and keep yourself highly motivated. Now, motivation is a very important factor in believing yourself. Well, everyone can't be motivated all the times. So you have to stay around people who are already motivated and who can keep you motivated so that you stay focused in your goal. Now there are certain times that you get distracted or demotivated. Now if you don't find the people around you to be positive enough, then read some books of some inspirational and successful people and get inspired yourself. Well, these inspirational books or the books of some successful people can help you in getting motivated and going towards the path to your goal. Now, as of the fourth point, you have to set and create goals. Well, creating goals is a very important part of believing in yourself. Well, how do you believe in yourself if you are very vague and if you don't know where to reach? Well, setting or creating goals can very well help you to focus on your path so that you can start believing in yourself and you know where to go. So when you know the end point, then you will believe in yourself. Well, if you want some advice in setting or creating goals and how to set goals or why to set goals, then I will make sure to link my video over here. Please click that and watch that video to get more advice. Now, as of the fifth and very important point, it is going to be enhancing or improvising your existing skills. Now, some skills like your presentation skills, your speaking skills and many other skills like that can help you believe in yourself and improve your self-confidence. Well, as of self-confidence, I will be talking about that in the next Motivational Mondays video, so make sure to watch that as well. Now, well, as of the sixth and the last point, it is going to be always keep going or move on. You can't succeed always in all the scenarios. Well, there are going to be some failures in your path towards success. And you might have already heard of this popular saying, failure is your stepping stone towards success. Now, if you encounter this failure part, then keep going. Don't lose belief in yourself. You are going to obtain a part where you get successful and always believe in yourself during that course of path. Well, if you doubt yourself or if you start doubting yourself in that journey towards success, then always think of your past successes and past experiences of success. Well, thinking about your past experiences of success can bring in some confidence as well as belief into yourself to give some energy to go through the failures. Well, that ends all the points or all the steps towards believing in yourself, and if you make sure to follow all the steps properly, then you always won't let yourself down and you always will believe in yourself. Well, that is the video, and that is all the points that I was going to cover as of this video. And see you guys in the next video with another Motivational Mondays topic. See you guys.